How to change country or region in your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change country or region on your iPhone. Now, before we start, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. First, you'll need to head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, scroll down till you find the general option. Tap on general and now you're on your general settings. Under here, you will need to scroll down, and after you scroll down for a bit, you should find language and region option. Tap on language and region, and after you tap on it, you will see the region option again. Simply tap on it, and from here you will be able to change your country or region. So choose your country or region. You can search anywhere here on the top two. So after you search for it, you should find your region, and after you tap on the region, simply tap on change to that very region, and then that's how you do it. So yeah, that is all for the video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and don't forget to subscribe.